Hey guys, this is your host and host Santosh, and I welcome you to your channel Indian Food and Travel Destination. So friends, today we are in Orion Mall. We happen to come here just for a little bit shopping and watching movies. So we have also covered this video earlier also, and today we are just having food at Rajdhani. This is in Orion East Mall, Orion Avenue, which is in Banaswadi. So let us do a small food review about the food what we are going to take it from Rajdhani, which is a restaurant which is more of North Indian type food what we are expecting, right? So let me just catch up and let me show you what and all food is available, and after that we will do a quick food review as to what is the taste and in terms of quality and how worth it is in terms of having it, right? So let's catch up shortly. Okay friends, so now we have come to Rajdhani, which is a restaurant which offers the various North Indian type of the food. This is in Orion Avenue Mall, Banaswadi. भैया हम YouTube चैनल से हैं, तो आप बताइए कि आपका यहाँ लास्ट टाइम हमने लिया था छोटा सा शूट, तो हमने एक बार सोचा प्रॉपर वीडियो आपके राजधानी के फूड के ऊपर बताने के लिए। आपका नाम क्या है? अच्छा, तो ये यहाँ क्या क्या मिलता है बेसिकली, क्या क्या टाइप का वेराइटीज़ मिल सकता है बताइए। हाँ सर बताइए, क्या क्या वेराइटीज़ मिल सकता है?
हमारे नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड है पूरा।
हाँ
स्ट्रीट फूड है।
हाँ
मिसल पाव हो गया।
ओके, थोड़ा ज़ोर से बोलिए।
मिसल पाव हो गया।
हाँ हाँ
छोले भटूरे हैं।
ओके,
पाव भाजी।
अच्छा,
और पराठा आइटम्स है।
पराठा पाव भाजी सब कुछ मिलता है।
मिल्क है।
हाँ,
और ये अभी विंटर फेस्टिवल का भी स्टार्ट है।
अच्छा,
बूंदिया मिल्क कॉम्बो, थेपला, पूरी श्रीखंड सब।
राइट राइट। तो अभी आप आज के लिए क्या आपका ये जो क्या कहते हैं, जो वेजिटेबल्स जो भी होता है वो चेंज होता है या सेम ही होता है अक्रॉस?
नाम चेंज होता है।
चेंज होता है। आज बताइए आज क्या क्या है आपके इसमें?
पनीर कैप्सिकम है।
ओके
छोले चना है।
ओके
आलू मसाला है।
ओके,
राजस्थान गट्टा है।
थोड़ा बताइएगा थोड़ा।
मारवाड़ी गट्टा है।
ओके,
ये रगड़ा बताना है।
रगड़ा वटाना। ओके
और ये सुरती बूंदी है।
ओके, सूरती ऊंधियू। ओके, तो बेसिकली कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द गुजराती एंड मारवाड़ी टाइप फूड, राइट? एंड चावल एंड कितनी रोटी, कितने फुलके आते हैं?
6 फुलके आते हैं मिल्स में।
6 फुलके आते हैं। तो पूरा मील्स ये जो यहाँ सैंपल है ये पूरा है या ये एग्जीक्यूटिव एंड स्पेशल मील्स? ये एग्जीक्यूटिव मील्स है। ये इसका प्राइस कितना? 299। तो बेसिकली इसमें 2 करी आता है, राइट? 3 करी आता है। सो 3 करी और 6 फुल्का, राइस, पापड़ एंड फरसान सब आइटम्स आता है। बेसिकली 10 से 12 आइटम्स आता है। 10 से 12 आइटम्स, 10 से 12 आइटम होता है, आराम से आ जाता है। ओके, और चना भटूरा भी है, राइट? ओके, ये आपकी सब्जी कौन सी जनरली होती है? लाइक मान लीजिए कि आज आपने ये बनाया है तो आपका लाइक क्या?
पनीर सब्जी रहता है।
पनीर सब्जी होता है।
छोले चना रहता है।
ओके,
कभी कभी सब्जी भिंडी हो गया, ये सब रहता है।
अच्छा, और ये टाइमिंग क्या कितने बजे से ओपन होता है?
11 to 11।
11 to 11। ओके ओके, और प्राइसिंग आपका क्या है बेसिकली? आपका प्राइसिंग कैसा है?
प्राइसिंग वो मेनू पर डिपेंड है।
ओके, एक सेकेंड, मेनू का देता हूँ। ओके गाइस, सो वी हैव गॉट अ मेनू हियर। लेट मी जस्ट शो यू द प्राइसिंग। आई थिंक दिस इज द वन। ओके, सो आई थिंक इसमें आपका ऑप्शन है पराठा है, चैट्स है। चैट्स अवेलेबल कितने बजे से है? अभी से, सो 11 बजे से अभी मिल सकता है, राइट? सब चैट्स मिल जाएगी, राइट? ठीक है ठीक है। और क्या है अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस? और कुछ स्पेशल बनाते हैं पाव भाजी को छोड़ के?
पाव भाजी
सब चैट्स में क्या क्या टाइप का चैट्स है?
दही पूरी है, पानी पूरी है, दही काफी चाट।
अच्छा,
समोसा रगड़ा चाट है, रगड़ा पेटिस है,
ओके
दही बड़ा है।
ओके, ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू। अब हम हाँ पूरी,
चिल्ली चीज।
ओके, फैंटास्टिक। तो बेसिकली सब टाइप का नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड सब टाइप का ट्राई कर सकते हैं, राइट? ये आपका ऑथेंटिक जो और एक राजधानी है उसी का आउटलेट है ना, उसी का आउटलेट है, राइट? ठीक है भैया, तो अभी हमारे लिए प्लेट डाल दीजिएगा और उसके बाद हम देखते हैं कुछ और हमें ऑर्डर करना था। हाँ हाँ, बिल दिया है। ठीक, मेरा हो गया।
चैनल आपका क्या है?
मेरा चैनल इंडियन फूड एंड ट्रैवल डेस्टिनेशन, मैं बताता हूँ आपको, ठीक है? ये आपने अभी वो बताया था ना, वो थोड़ा वो मील्स का कॉम्बिनेशन, वो प्राइस था ना? प्राइस नहीं था, हाँ ये वाला। ओके, So here we have got how many meals? One, we have got Rajdhani executive meals, which is around 299 plus taxes, which will be having 3 sabzis, 2 farsan, steam rice, and 5 fulkas, 5 to 6 fulkas, sweets and other accomplishments. There are also little bit less fulkas if you require, then that is a special meal which is at 250 plus taxes. We also have got dal batti churma, बहुत बढ़िया, छोले भटूरे हैं, ओके, मसाला पूरी एक्सेट्रा. ये स्वीट्स चेंज कर सकते हैं, मल्टीपल ऑप्शन है या स्टैंडर्ड फिक्स्ड ऑप्शन है? आपको स्वीट्स में फिक्स्ड ऑप्शन है, राइट? अच्छा, ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. मैं आपके मेनू का एक फ़ोटो ले लेता हूँ. बाकी भटूरा है, जलेबी है, मालपुआ, रबड़ी. और अगर आपको अलग काटा सेपरेट सिर्फ स्वीट्स चाहिए वो भी ले सकते हैं, या फिर वो सिर्फ इसमें ही प्लेट में ही लेना पड़ता है? अलग चाहिए तो वो भी हम ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं, राइट? ओके गाइस, सो इफ़ यू वांट एनीथिंग टू ऑर्डर अलग काटा, दैट आल्सो इज़ पॉसिबल. Apart from that, if you want a ready-made meals, then that is also available. So let us go through the chat options. Chat option, there is a lot of Delhi types, puri, papdi puri, etc. is there. So great. So this is how we have got, and also there are various parathas are there. Aloo parathas, gobi parathas, paneer parathas, and all. So great. So let's looking forward for it. You can also see the food what is available right now here, and then we will be also making a detailed video about the plate what we have ordered for. So this looks absolutely yummy. So great. So we will soon start doing a food review of our plate which we have ordered, right? So let's catch up shortly on this. भैया ये हमारा प्लेट है? ओके ओके, थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू सो मच. ओके फ्रेंड्स, अब हम प्लेट लेके आ चुके हैं. हमने पूरी थाली ली है राजस्थानी की यहाँ. सो दैट इज़ कमिंग टू अराउंड 299 प्लस टैक्सेस विच हैपन टू बी अराउंड 314 रुपीज़ फॉर अस. यू कैन जस्ट सी आवर बिल. दिस इज़ द प्राइस ऑफ द फुल थाली विच इज़ एन एग्जीक्यूटिव मील. चलिए देख लेते हैं गरम गरम क्या है करके. सबसे पहले तो यहाँ इन्होंने 1 2 3 4 5 6 फुल्का दिया है. अरे वाह, वेरी गुड, काफ़ी अच्छा कहते हैं. 6 फुल्कास इज़ रियली गुड थिंग. एंड ये भी काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है, गरम है. उसे छोड़ के यू कैन जस्ट सी देयर इज़ अ पापड़. पापड़ को छोड़ के देयर इज़ अ स्टीम राइस. स्टीम राइस को छोड़ के इन्होंने 3 सब्जियां दी है और दाल दी है. देख सकते हैं, ये है दाल और ये है पनीर का सब्जी, पनीर की सब्जी. दिस इज़ लुकिंग गुड. काफ़ी पनीर पीसेस भी है. यू कैन जस्ट सी दिस, इट्स विजिबल. वी विल टेस्ट इट शॉर्टली, बट लेट अस टेक अ लुक इन टर्म्स ऑफ अपीयरेंस वाइज. ये आलू की सब्जी है एंड दिस ऑल्सो लुक्स गुड, looks wise. In terms of the aloo, if we just try to see the break, if you try to break, it's not very hard, it's very soft. You can just see this, it just goes like this, it just breaks it. You can see my piece. Let me just show you here again. If you just, it's completely boiled, so if you just take a soft click, it just breaks into 2 pieces, right? So this is how it is. So we will taste it definitely, but in the meantime, in terms of looks and presentation wise, it looks good. इट लुक्स यम्मी. सो टेस्ट करने के बाद पता चलेगा. और ये है और एक सब्जी उन्होंने बोला था, 3 सब्जी बेसिकली देते हैं. तो वी विल टेस्ट दिस ऑल्सो. एंड ऑल्सो देर इज़ ढोकला विच इज़ द खमन ढोकला. एंड देन वी हैव गॉट 1 वड़ा. यू कैन सी दिस, या ये बोंडा, बोंडा तो नहीं कहूँगा, इसको वड़ा ही कहते हैं. मिर्ची है एंड लेमन है, सैलड्स है, पिकल्स हैं and gulab jamun hai. So I think it's a decent meal, Rajasthani meal. And since we are doing this shoot in Orion Mall, so we have got this much options. It's possible that when we actually go to the Rajdhani, we may also have more options. I am sure you must have explored on that. So definitely for now, today we are looking forward to taste this food. It looks very yummy, seems to be. But let me taste and show you how it is. And let me just reconnect you shortly. Hello. So now we have got the thali as I said. So let me just show you the entire thali, though you are aware of it. Let me just show you this. This is how it looks like. You have got the dal, you have got the sabjis, you have got the Rajasthani sabji which is called as Rajasthani ghatta. Let me just I have already taken the pic of it. So I will show you in terms of the taste how it looks like. So let us start tasting it before it gets cold. So in terms of the pulka, this is pulka. We have got 6 pulkas and looks good. Let me just taste. Let me first mix this with the the paneer ki sabji what we have got. And here goes the first bite. गुड, अच्छा टेस्ट है. नॉट टू वेरी सॉल्टी, नॉट टू वेरी स्वीट, जैसे आइडियली रहना चाहिए. लेट मी टेक अ मोर बाइट ऑफ इट एंड देन दिस इज आई एम डिपिंग विथ पनीर सब्जी. नाइस. The paneer is also there, very soft. Nice, very softly cooked. The paneer pieces are easily visible. Taste is also good. The main the gravy which goes very well. Pulka is also very soft, and taste wise is good. Let me try with the aloo sabji. The aloo ka sabji is the second one which has been given. Let me just get that and see. This is also okay. Let me take a more proper bite. I am taking this entire with the aloo and the gravy, mixing the gravy. The potatoes are very very soft. When you eat it, it just melts into your mouth. So let me just taste this. Here goes with the pulka and this. This is also not bad. It's not too oily. जितना रहना चाहिए ग्रेवी वैसा है. आलू है तो when you eat it, it looks very good, but while tasting it, I will give it an average. It's not bad, but it's just that somewhere the taste has to elevate it, and I feel a little bit lacking on it. But let me just try more options. I'm sure there is one more Rajasthani gatta sabji is that is looking good, so I will try that. Now we are trying with the Rajasthani gatta sabji. This is really thick in terms of the consistency, in terms of the holding. The gravy is good enough to hold, and the rotis. Let me taste. Wow, this is really good. The Rajasthani gatta sabji is very nice, very tasty. It's just some different taste altogether. I think this is something elevating the taste altogether. Let me take one more bite. Guys, this is really yummy. Very nice, very nice. Now let me try some other options. We have got a dal. The dal is also quite thick, good enough in terms of mixing. Let it be with a roti, pulka, or even with the steamed rice. So let me just try that and taste and let you know. Let me taste only the dal as such. दाल इज़ गुड. चिल्ली वो थोड़ा चिल्ली जैसा लग रहा है, खाए तो एकदम यहाँ गले में वो तीखापन कहते हैं, वो तीखापन लग रहा है यहाँ, वैसा ही आइडियली रहना चाहिए. Um, taste is good. Let me just try. I can see, the garlic. I can see the tomato. I can see the curry leaves which has been mixed. I think this all will add, and I can also see the yellow, sorry, not yellow, the red chili, that small red chilies, because of which the, the taste is going to a different level, and it tastes really good. Nice, nice, very nice. This is the Rajasthani Gatta Sabji is something which you should try. This is good. I liked it. At least let me know, guys, how is it that you people have your taste on when it comes to trying here. If I don't mix that with the roti or pulka and eat it as it is only the sabji, still it tastes good. So I think my takeaway will be the paneer sabji and the Rajasthani Gatta Sabji. Both are very nice. Now let me try the dokla which has been given. The farsan, the piece, common dokla, very soft. There is no chutney for now which has been given, but this item can be eaten as it is. So let me try. This is good. Very soft. You can see this. Damn soft it is. As it is, you can just shake it, then it will start, breaking it into two pieces. This is the softness which is required. So I think in terms of taste, yes. In terms of looks, yes. Quality, yes. It's a good one. This tastes good. Now we have got this vada, and this vada you can just see stick from outside. Let me just try to break and see how it works. Okay, this is how it looks. It's a combination which has got a mix of kothmari has been mixed, and what else? It's a bit stiffness and thickness it is that. Let me just try as it is, taste wise how it looks. This is good. Okay, but I think this would have got a different taste altogether if this would have gone with a chutney. तो ग्रीन चटनी नहीं है या कौन सा भी पुदीने का चटनी, आई थिंक उसके साथ ही कॉम्बिनेशन अच्छा होता. बट इवन अदरवाइज ऑल्सो यू कैन हैव इट एज इट इज एंड दैट ऑल्सो टेस्ट गुड. इट्स सॉफ्ट एंड यू कैन जस्ट easily eat as it is. It has got an onion and some other elements, but if I see the inside part of this vada, it looks a bit sticky inside. From outside it's soft, but inside it's somewhere it's very very dry when you eat it. Some may like it, some may not, but I feel still the taste wise it is not bad. But I think the dryness could have been avoided with the help of a chutney. If this was going with some green chutney or purple green chutney or green pudina chutney mixing, I think the taste would have gone some to a little bit different level. But nevertheless, this also looks good. Now we have got the papad. The papad has become a bit soft because I think because it was on the rice. So okay, this is like a normal masala papad or the lichet papad what we have that we take it. No much comments on this. Let me just try now the gulab jamun. The gulab jamun is quite big. You can see how big the gulab jamun is. This is the size of the gulab jamun, and when I try to break it, it just breaks so easily. just one cut and it just breaks, and that's the level of the softness what it has got. Let me taste and see how it goes. Wow, gulab jamun is too good. You see, usually what happens sometimes in the gulab jamun, though it looks soft, inside you can just see this. It may be little bit thick, or it may become a kind of a solid. You must have seen somewhere some people, some places we generally see that from outside it looks very soft, but inside it goes a little bit thick and little bit solid type of the stuff. But here you can see it's so soft, it just melts easily, smoothly melt, and it breaks easily, and just you just take it inside, it just melts smoothly from the throat inside you, and the taste also is very nice. I really like this jamun. I think this is a must try. Also, you can order a la carte the jamun, and that also you can have it extra apart from thali if you want. And there are other sweets are also available. So yeah, so a big thumbs up to the gulab jamun for sure, and also to the dokla which has been given. Now we are going to taste the rice and the dal. Let me just make a combination of that. Let me pour some dal into the steamed rice, and let me see how it tastes. I am sure it will be good, but let me taste and give my comments. Here goes the dal. The dal is very good, thick, taste alone itself it is good. So now let me mix that with the steamed rice and see. A normal dal rice, how it looks, that's how it is. Normally, how do we eat it in a home? The same homely type dal rice. If you want to try, then you can come here. And of course, this goes with the other curries like the paneer masala, and the taste may be different. Let me just try. Yes, but I think because while we are doing the review, the steam rice has become a bit cold here by the time we started doing the review. So I think somewhere I see the drop in the terms of the fresh hot rice when you eat it. Maybe we received it, and by the time we started doing the review, all the things it has become a bit cold. But nevertheless, the taste wise, if you see, yes, it is good. And otherwise, everything is very hot, and taste is also good. I think this is a thumbs up. What a trying. Okay, so now we'll quickly come to conclusion. 6 pulkas. We have got 6 pulkas. This is the size of the pulka. It's a dry pulka. Like this, we'll get 6 pulkas. We have got the 3 sabjis. The sabjis can change. Today we have got the paneer, but the paneer sabji one. We have got the Rajasthani gatta one and the aloo sabji. Aloo sabji is okay. Paneer gatta and Rajasthani gatta and the paneer sabji is very good. The taste is elevating. Dal is also looking very nice. The tikhapan, what we say, the chili they have put, and the tikhapan, what is that we can feel it in the dal. Very homely dal with the rice, it goes very well. Jamun is a thumbs up. It's a wow factor. If you ask me in terms of item, the jamun, I will say 10 out of 10. I will give for jamun in terms of it. In terms of overall, if I say food wise, yes, it is good. Quality wise, yes, it is good. I can give 8 to 8.5 out of 10. Taste wise, 8.5. Again, except jamun, which I will give 10 out of 10 because it's class. It's a wow factor, jamun as an item specific. But on an overall average basis, nice. In terms of 300 rupees, the number of the items what we have got is good enough. Maybe when we have a proper authentic Rajasthani thali, you go to the Rajdhani specifically as a restaurant there itself, then you may have more varieties because you have seen a very big thali with a lot of items they keep on putting, and everything comes on the top of it. They keep on serving you. But because we are in an outlet in a mall, so they have confined to certain maximum items what they put in the plate, and that is also good enough. But yeah, in terms of the overall tasting for this plate here, it is, I can say, around 8.5 to 8.5 out of 10 I can give you. And make sure that I, as I told, that I don't give full marks. Even if it is 8.5 or 9, that is a very good number, because I am a very strong critic and I don't so easily give the marks until unless it's a very extreme wow factor. So definitely Gulab Jamun was one of the something which I gave 10 out of 10. It was class. It was super, right? So that is something which is a must try here. Apart from this, nothing much for now today. Today we will be finishing our thali here, and then we will see if we are exploring some other things. Then definitely we will be making another video on that one, and we will share it with you. On a separate note, I would request all the people that we see that there are a lot of subscribers, a lot of people who are seeing our videos but they are not subscribing to it. All we will request is that please do subscribe to our channel, support us, and please share the videos, and do let us know if you like or you don't like something, and we will try to make the best videos from our end for you, right? On a separate note, thank you so much for whatever the support so far you have provided. So many people whoever has seen our videos and whoever has subscribed to us, thank you for them. And for those who are new to it, please go and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notifications, and please stay tuned to the Indian Food and Travel Destination. We will try to bring a good quality videos to you on the food and the travel from time to time. So on this note, me Santosh Shah signing off. Have a good day and take care of yourself, and possibly we'll catch up with some other video shortly.